Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a middleman in Discord. A middleman acts as a trusted third party, ensuring that both the buyer and seller fulfill their obligations in a trade. This process significantly reduces the risk of scams, especially when exchanging valuable digital goods or services. It provides peace of mind for both individuals involved, making transactions much safer and more reliable on the platform. Understanding this role is the first step to secure trading. Finding a reliable middleman is paramount for a safe transaction. Always look for individuals who are part of well-known and respected Discord communities, often identified by specific roles or badges. Check their history and seek testimonials from other users. Never accept a middleman offer from someone who contacts you unsolicited in a direct message. Trustworthy middlemen prioritize transparency and community verification, ensuring a secure environment for everyone involved in the trade. The middleman process is straightforward and designed for security. First, both the buyer and seller must agree on the chosen middleman and all trade details. Next, the seller sends their item or funds to the middleman. Once the middleman confirms receipt, the buyer then sends their payment or item. After confirming both sides have delivered, the middleman promptly distributes the assets to their rightful owners, completing the secure exchange in a few simple steps. To ensure your safety, always confirm the middleman's identity directly in the server, matching their username and discriminator. Never, under any circumstances, share sensitive personal information or account credentials. Keep detailed records of all conversations and transaction specifics, including screenshots, as proof. If anything feels suspicious or off, immediately stop the transaction and report it to the server administrators. Your vigilance is your best defense against potential scams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.